Hi, my friends. Ariana Anderson here. I'm a naturopathic doctor at Anderson Family Chiropractic and Naturopathic Care in Waterville, Ohio. I hope this finds everybody well and healthy out there. I'm hopping on tonight for a quick preview of the upcoming lecture we're having on mental health and how to support it naturally. That lecture will be held on Thursday, May 28th at 6:30. We're actually going to have a limited number of people who can attend the live lecture here at the office. We'll be following social distancing guidelines, of course, so the seats here will be very limited. As many of you are aware, anyone that attends a lecture here at the office is given an opportunity to receive a $50 discount off the health and wellness exam, which includes a physical exam, zytostress assessment, and a full nutrition response testing exam, as well as the report of findings and recommendations. So if you are actually interested in becoming a new patient here at the office, please call the office to reserve your seat at the lecture. However, we will actually be attempting to record the first part of the lecture live. So I've never done this before, so pray for me. It is a little disconcerting to do it that way because I've never done it that way before, but I'm sure I can. So we will only be recording the first part that is discussing how to support mental health naturally. We won't be recording the last part, which is specifically for individuals that are interested in becoming new patients. So if you are interested in actually becoming a new patient, please give our staff a call at 419-878-8312 for more information about that part. But we will be recording the free lecture on how to support your health naturally in regards to your mental health. So a little highlight of some of the things we're going to discuss at the lecture in more detail is, number one, the role that blood sugar plays in mental health. Some doctors have actually described elevated blood sugar as causing our brain to be on fire. This idea is being as a direct effect of the brain being inflamed by elevated blood sugar. Two doctors that I really respect who have discussed this a lot, this topic a lot, is Dr. Perlmutter, who's a neurologist, and Dr. Hyman, who is the head of functional medicine at the Cleveland Clinic. So I'll be discussing some of their groundbreaking work in this area, as well as some other new information that's kind of come out in regards to that. But yeah, blood sugar plays a big role, so we'll be doing a little bit of a deeper dive into that. And also the role that gut health plays in mental health. That sometimes people are shocked by that. You wouldn't think that your gut would have anything to do with your mental health. But what's interesting is that, did you know that 90% of your serotonin, which is the neurotransmitter that makes you feel good, 90% of that is actually produced in your gut, not in your brain. 90% is actually in your gut. So yeah, it is essential to have healthy gut health for proper mental health. So we're gonna dive more into that and the details of that at the lecture. But also too, before then, if you tuned into our previous Facebook Lives in April, we went through our 4 pillars of health, which are digestion, detoxification, immune health, and blood sugar management. So pillar 1 and 4, which is digestion and blood sugar management, play a huge role in mental health. So you can go back and watch those on our Facebook videos, or you can go out to our YouTube page, which is AFC, so A as in Anderson, F as in family, C as in chiropractic, AFC Wellness, Chiropractic and Naturopathic Care. That's our YouTube page, and all the lectures are out there as well. And so I would highly recommend you watch Pillar 1 and Pillar 4 before the lecture. It will give you a little more information. And so we'll be talking about these things and more in that upcoming lecture, which is on Thursday, May 28th at 6:30 p.m. We will have limited seating here in the office, but we will also be doing a Facebook Live, first time ever, for a lecture. So again, pray for me. It'll be fine, I'm sure. But if you do want to be one of the few that are here at the office because you're interested in being a new patient, please give our staff a call at 419-878-8312. And thanks for watching, everybody. I look forward to maybe seeing you at the office or on Facebook. All right. Have a great night. Bye.